we cannot control the weather.
Pero at least, mas safe po kayo dyan sa likod kasi bagong gawa po ang Lexus Santa Rita. Talagang bonggang-bongga dyan sa likuran.
That's right, saka yung mga nasa second floor.
Hi! Baka may request kayo dyan. Ano nang oras yan?
Para lumalis.
Wala po. What advancing reload? Tapos yung mga nasa coffee shop natin, hello!
Yes, can you hear us?
Oo, dati ako din pangarap ko yung mga ganyan.
Ano?
Alin?
Makapagkape.
Mamaya, magkape tayo.
Mamaya bago tayo umuwi.
Alright, ayan, pang ano muna, to change the beat for everyone. And,
Yes.
it's a Good Vibes Friday! Come on! You can tell the world, no matter what's happening, you can buy my thoughts and I'm you can tell the kids, it's hard to the kid, I will just around me on the wall. You can tell the world, I need to understand. You can tell me to back the door. To tell my words, to tell my baby test. They want me reaching out for you, no more wonders. Don't tell my mom, but I keep breaking up. Just don't take it, understand. Yeah, you can tell my mom, but I keep breaking up. You might know we need to stand.
Mali pala ako, Diyos ko.
Paano? Paano?
Bagong Pilipinas, bagong mukha. May isang prinsipyo, may isang salita. Kaibigan nyo, to join. Mali pa rin. Ay, thank you so much. Ayan, nakuha ko yung mag-request, ha?
Oh, sayang naman yung mga ano namin, yung mga preparation namin ngayong gabi. Kung wala kayong request.
Mali!
Magpakilala ulit tayo kasi mga bagong dating lahat dun sa likod.
Sige.
Alright, sige, mauna ka na.
Yes, ako pala Samantha Lopez.
Samantha Lopez.
Diba?
Mapunti yan.
Yes, once again, my name is Tyra, your Miss Q&A Daily Winner, Date Showtime, and a vlogger here in Pampanga.
Together with AKA Bonnie Tyler po ng Pampanga, Patricia.
Yes.
Yes, at yun naman po ang kaluguran nyo, the voice behind the hit song Ojo, Kaluguranda Ka, and Most Outstanding Kapampangan Awardee 2023 for Performing Arts for my song Ojo, Kaluguranda Ka, most downloaded song of the year, Aram Muna.